Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So you have to take a paper and then we'll be making this hang fan. So fold it like this as shown in the video. Now open it. After making the creases, you have to again fold it like this. Now take another piece of paper to make its handle or the sticks you can say and paste it on both the sides. And then you can make its clip on the top also if you want, otherwise it's done. Next we'll be making this crown. So take a paper, fold it like this and press it. Now you have to fold it from back side and then fold it like this. Now put it like this from the top and spread it. Now make a space in the between and then follow the same step for the other side, and after that spread it from the between like this and your crown is ready. You can put some pearls and stones over it to decorate it. Next we'll be making this bunny. So take the tissue paper like this, fold it like this from the between, fold it like this. Now after that we have to press it from the back side and then paste it like this, and in the front make a space and then you have to make the eyes, nose and mouth of the bunny. Spread its ears as shown in the video, color it if you want, otherwise your bunny is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, moving forward, we'll be taking this beautiful printed paper. Now we have to fold it from all the sides. Now fold it backward like this. Now turn the paper and spread it like this. Now we have to fold it as shown in the video. Now you have to spread it like this and press it from the back. You can see how we have done it. Now make the ears or the ears like shape on all the sides and it's done. Next we'll be making this container. So take a printed beautiful paper, fold it like this and press it. Turn the paper and again repeat the same process. So you can see now we have to press the paper like this from the backward section and then fold it like this. Follow the same step for each side like this. Now spread it from the between and make a space as shown in the video, and it's ready. Next we have to take this paper, fold it like this from the between. Now fold it from all the sides. Now we have to press it from the back side as well. Now press it like this. So you can see how we are doing it. Now turn the paper and again fold it. Now you have to press it like this from the between and fix it. Follow the same step for the other side and your beautiful container is ready. I hope you liked it. Next we'll be making these heart shaped papers. So take the beautiful square shaped papers and then we have to fold it like this from all the sides to make the creases on it. Now press it from the between and again press it like this from the sides as shown in the video. Now spread it as shown in the video and fix it. Now after that turn the paper and again fold it like this from the top. So you can see now make the heart shape like this and it's done. Next we have to take a printed paper like this. Now fold it, turn the paper and again fold it like this. So you can see how we have done it. Now we have to press it like this and then fix it like this beautifully. Now fix them into each other and your paper is ready. I hope you liked it. Next we have to make this beautiful like shape box. So you can see how we have folded it like this from the between to make the creases. Press it from the sides inwards and then press the paper, turn the paper and again fold it like this. Next we'll be making this beautiful swan shaped container. So you have to take a printed origami paper, fold it like this from the sides as shown in the video. Now put it backward like this and make its neck. Thanks for watching our video.